Hi guys, today I'm here to introduce you Her Majesty Queen 60. If you own a pizzeria, a restaurant or a bakery, or you work with flour and dough every day, you must enhance your equipment to a higher level. Queen 60 is more than just a mixer. 86 quarts ball volume for 60 kilos of dough capacity, 1.5 bags of flour at a time, driven by 2 motors at 3500 watts and powered by Mitsubishi inverter. Queen 60 lets you customize your dough with variable speed from 70 to 300 revolutions per minute, which you can use in infinite combination. What do you think is the most important thing of your dough? Maybe it's the quality of the flour, maybe it's the hydration, maybe it's the flavor. These are all extremely important things, but the fundamental factor is the consistency of your product. The Queen 60 is designed with a touchscreen that allows you to get the same dough day after day. You can save up to 10 recipes. Regardless of the operator's skills, the mixer will guarantee high quality and consistency. The infrared laser sensor detects the instant dough temperature. You can set a limit at which the mixer will stop automatically. So guys, the Queen 60 has so many other benefits, including its reinforced spiral, the huge braking bar, the reverse rotation, the LED light, so please, call me now. I will be happy to personally show you all its features.
Bella, bellissima, perfetta.
Queen 60, where mixing meets majesty.